Hi, I'm Peter Davis, co-founder and lead developer at Panache Software, and I want to take a couple of minutes to talk to you about Panache Sports. Panache Sports provides legal risk management for sports organizations and athletes, backed by an AI-enhanced online platform. At its core, we provide a variety of standardized sports contracts and processes that are tried and tested within the sports in which our customers operate. The Panache Sports Platform itself is designed to make the management of sports organizations, along with these documents and processes, simple and visible to all parties. You can set up teams, use our standardized documents and processes, or even bring your own, create athletes or personnel profiles, and link them to your organizations. You can send documents to personnel for signing, and provide easy, secure online access to athletes and staff so that they can always view documents appropriate for them. Now, we're using the whole Microsoft Azure stack to power our platform with a modern microservice design able to operate at global scale. All users can make inquiries of their documents or processes using our Panache Bot Copilot, which is powered by Azure AI Search and Azure OpenAI, running over the data applicable for that user. We're building our knowledge bases so that the sophistication of Panache Bot's feedback is just like a lawyer, but a lot faster and without the hourly fees. So let's see how all this looks in the Panache Sports platform. You can see that I have an organization, Panache Hockey, set up in the platform, and users can create multiple organizations or teams as required. Within this organization, I have my players, which at the moment is just me, so we might need to sign a few more before we can be competitive. Now, against my player, you can see that I have one of Panache Sports' standard player contracts attached. I can edit this contract, and you'll see that we have an AI-generated summary, which provides users with key information without the need to search through the document itself. We can also view and edit our document directly within the platform. Now, this is a document attached directly to an athlete, but we also hold documents that are relevant to our organization as a whole, and you can choose if these are shared with players and personnel attached to this organization. Here, we're holding official documents, but also club-specific policy and process documents. Now, we bring all this data together via our AI Copilot, Panache Bot. Rather than manually searching through documents when you need to find information, our AI Copilot is trained on your documents. So, for example, we can ask it, can you provide me with a fortnightly salary breakdown for Peter Davis? And let's also say, including changes based on performance. Panache Bot looks through the relevant data for Peter Davis, like his player contract, and summarizes the information for you. What about more general questions outside of a specific query against a player? How about, I want to sign a new player, but they are from Canada. What are the steps I need to carry out, including any relevant details from the IIHF regulations? And you can see we get a breakdown of that process. Now, it's likely I'll need a visa for a foreign player. So who do we use for immigration law? Well, great. Guess I better give them a call. Now, is there anything else? Well, as a sneak peek of where we're heading, maybe you're at a game, it's a crucial point, and you think the referee missed a call. Should we challenge it? Well, let's quickly check the rules. Are there any penalties for an unsuccessful coach's challenge? In a fast-paced game like ice hockey, you don't always have time to look through the rulebook, so maybe the Panache Sports AI Copilot can do that for you in seconds. Now, we've helped professional athlete Ben Solder with his contract negotiations. We're actively working with the Bristol Honda Pitbulls and National Ice Hockey League team on their property and sponsorship agreements, along with their player contracts. We're helping a retired Elite League player with their new strength and conditioning business, and we're engaged with elite ice hockey league teams to analyse their current contracts. And we're also in discussions with a specialist immigration law firm about partnering to provide AI-assisted immigration advice to professional athletes and clubs. We're starting with ice hockey, a fast-growing sport in the UK that is gaining in popularity, but one that we feel is underserved with regards to platforms and legal processes like we're building. But we aren't stopping there, and have already begun to build out contracts and processes for both rugby, cricket, and motorsport. Many thanks for your time.